discuss the interference and coherent sources. Monochromatic light is a single light with single frequency. Coherent is a different and changing phase relationship between two waves. The overlap of waves from two coherent sources of monochromatic light forms an interference pattern. The principle of superposition states that the total wave disturbance at any point is the sum of the disturbances from the separate waves as shown in the figure. Two source interference of light. When two sources are in phase, constructive interference occurs when the difference in path length from the two sources is zero or an integer number of wavelengths. Destructive interference occurs where the path difference is a half integer number of wavelengths. If two sources separated by a distance d are both very far from a point and line from the sources to P max an angle theta with perpendicular to line of the source, then the condition for constructive interference at P is d sin theta over m lambda. The condition for destructive interference is d sin theta over m plus 1 by 2 into lambda. Where theta is very small, the position dm of the mth bright fringe on a spin located a distance r from the source is given by dm over r m lambda by d for bright fringes. So d sin theta over m lambda for constructive interference, d sin theta over m plus 1 by 2 into lambda for destructive interference, Vm over Rm by d for bright interference as shown in the figure. Now, intensity in interference patterns. When two sinusoidal waves with equal amplitude E and phase difference phi are superimposed, the resultant amplitude EP and intensity I are given by EP over 2E cos pi by 2 and I over I naught cos square pi by 2. If two sources emit in phase, the phase difference I at a point P located a distance R1 from the source and 1 and a distance R2 from the source 2 is directly proportional to the difference in path length R2 minus R1. So EP बराबर 2 cos pi by 2, I बराबर I naught cos square pi by 2, I बराबर 2 pi by lambda R2 minus R1 बराबर K R2 minus R1 as shown in the figure. Thus, we deal about the interference pattern in constructive, destructive and bright fringes.